Welcome. Today we are talking about digital detox and eye care for kids. With rising screen exposure, our children's eyes are facing more strain than ever before. Early habits can shape lifelong vision. Let's learn how to protect and improve their eye health. Why kids' eyes are more vulnerable. Children's eyes are still developing, making them more sensitive to screens, bright light, and environmental strain. Long hours of close-up work can lead to problems like early myopia, dry eyes, and visual fatigue. Impact of excessive screen time. Too much screen time can reduce blinking, causing dry eyes. Kids may experience blurred vision, headaches, and sleep disturbances. Poor posture from screen use can also affect neck and back development. Importance of digital detox. A digital detox gives the eyes a much-needed break. It reduces eye strain, resets sleep cycles, and boosts mental focus. Most importantly, it allows children to reconnect with real-world play and movement. Healthy screen habits. Simple habits go a long way. Follow the 2-0-2-0-2-0 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Use blue light filters, take frequent breaks, and avoid screen use at least an hour before bedtime. Outdoor time equals eye growth control. Spending time outdoors exposes kids to natural light, which helps prevent nearsightedness. Just 1 to 2 hours of outdoor play daily can make a big difference in how their eyes develop. Daily eye care routine for kids. In the morning, start with a cold water rinse. Use lubricating drops if needed. Limit screen time in the afternoon, and encourage rest breaks. In the evening, clean the eyelids gently and apply a warm compress to soothe tired eyes. Superfoods for eye health. Nutrition matters. Include carrots, spinach, broccoli, nuts, and citrus fruits in your child's diet. These foods are rich in vitamin A, omega-3, and antioxidants, essential for healthy vision. Eye exercises for kids. Make eye exercises fun. Teach them to blink slowly, shift focus between near and far, and trace imaginary shapes with their eyes. Palming, placing warm palms over closed eyes, can also relieve stress. Quality sleep equals eye recovery. Sleep is the best natural eye detox. Kids need 9 to 11 hours of quality sleep. Reducing evening screen use improves sleep quality and allows eyes to recover and repair overnight. Protective measures. Protect their eyes with anti-glare screens, good lighting, and correct screen distance. Encourage correct posture with ergonomic furniture designed for kids. Regular eye checkups. Schedule regular eye exams starting at age 3. Watch for signs like squinting, frequent eye rubbing, or sitting too close to screens. Early detection can correct most vision problems early on. A holistic eye detox approach. To protect your child's vision, build a daily routine that includes less screen time, more nutrition, proper sleep, outdoor play, and regular checkups. It's a simple and effective way to nurture healthy eyes. Thank you for listening. Healthy vision is a gift. Let's help our kids protect it, with balance, care, and awareness. Remember, healthy eyes today mean a brighter tomorrow.